Hello engineers, welcome to the 53rd video in learning MOSFETs through shorts, and in this particular video we are going to see whether the gain increases or not if we increase the W by L ratio of our MOSFET M1. As you can clearly see with this particular formula, if we increase this particular ratio, specifically W1, right, if we increase the value for W1, right, our gain will increase, right, because our gain is directly proportional to W1, right. So right now it is 100 micros, right, and at that time we are getting gain of -10. In fact, we verified that. If you could remember in the previous short video, we were able to achieve gain of -10, right. So let's say if I'm increasing the gain, right, if I'm increasing the width from 100, I'm increasing it to 150. So instead of 100, if I am keeping it as 150, so what value we are expecting over here at the gain? So this is under root of 150 divided by 1, and this will be 1. So square root of 150, that is one sec, square root of, and of course we will have a negative sign. This is 12.24. So we are expecting a gain of minus of 12.2 over here. So let's verify that. For that, what I'll do, I need to change it to 150, okay, and then I'll just run it. And yeah, you can clearly look over here. When my input signal is of 1 millivolt, we are getting output signal as minus of 12.19, which is quite closer to what we want over here, as we calculated into the calculator, right, 12.24, and this is minus of 12.19, which is quite closer to what we want. Now let's say if I want to increase the gain further, so for that what I'll do, I'll increase the width, right, width of M1 from 150, I will keep it as 200, I'll increase it by 50. Let's see what gain we will get. Okay, so we are getting gain of hardly of around 1, right. This is 1.8 millivolts and our input signal is 1, right, hardly any gain, right. So our output signal is distorted in this scenario, right. Technically our gain should increase as we are increasing the width, right, and this was true when we kept W as 150, when we increase W as when we increase W to 150 from 100, but as we increase it to 200 from 150, the gain certainly got distorted. Now what can be the reason for that? I have discussed this particular reason in the longer format. I request you all guys to go through that particular video. I have pasted the link into the comment section and the description section as well. I hope you understood the concept. If you are enjoying this kind of concept, then you make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.